Cujo, better get down. You better get down. What are you doing, you psychopath? Get down. Cujo, down. Oh, allow it. Get down. Oh, is he gonna get down? Really? Roar, 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 roar. Get down. Yeah, well, would you shut up? Hey. I know, he's annoying me too. Cujo, you smell like ass. Get down. Get down off of my bed. Tell him, Cleo. Tell him. Get down. Cujo, down. Look. Get him. Get down. Cujo, down. Oh, you're so dumb. Call him. Call him.
Cujo, down.
No, just call him. Tell him to come here.
Come here.
Like, yeah, do that. He got up there, and now he's like, "This is my first one and only time I've ever been on the bed. Oh, Mommy, I'm never coming down." Cujo! Alright, go on. Get out of here. Go on. No, just go on. Cujo, down. Cujo, get down! Down, now! Better get down! What are you barking at, dummy? You a dummy, girl? Oh, look! Oh, yay! Yeah! Oh, hell no! Get down! Tell him. Say, get down. Say, I'm not allowed up there. Get Cujo down. Exactly. Now sit. Don't you get back up there. Down. Alright, well. How can I say no to that face? There's my baby boy. Alright, get down. Get down before I put you up for adoption. You? You want some of me? You don't like the camera? Is this the camera you don't like? You don't like the camera? Get it. You want some? Cujo. Oh, Lord Jesus. Cujo. Get your big ass off of my bed.